Chinese is really easy to learn, and today I'm going to show you a reason why. The writing system is a different story, but we'll get to this in a future video too. Welcome to Polyglot Culture, a place for language learning and cultural etiquette. My name is Mia. So you already know that Mandarin is a tone-based language. In case you don't, here's a video where I explain the tones in detail. So the first person singular, I, means 我. We're using the third tone. This is how it's written. 我. If you want to learn more about the writing rules in Mandarin, I will link a video in the info box about it. The second person singular, you, means 你. It also uses the third tone. This is how it's written. 你. For the third person singular, you get a 2 for 1. Why? Because she and he both means 他. Did you meet Chinese who sometimes confuse the words for he and she in English? This is the reason why. 他 uses a first tone. The funny thing is, you can absolutely not distinguish it by the spoken language. 他 for he or she is always the same. But you can tell by the writing. But what about the plurals? So here comes the great advantage of this language. You just need to learn one additional word. Men. It uses the fifth tone. And if you apply men to the other words, you will have your plurals. Let's have an example. So we is I plus plural. 我们. Men is also called a particle. We'll get to this also in future videos. Particles are frequently used in the Mandarin language, which, if you think about it, makes totally sense. If we speak about us or we speak about me and more people, the plural form of me, 我们. So I plus more people is we. Guess what you plural is? 你们. Same concept, you plus plural. And how is it in your language? They follow the same principle, 他们. So he or she plus plural. On this channel, we are not only focusing on learning Mandarin, but on a variety of different languages. So you can become polyglot yourself, learning multiple languages. That also means that we are linking the languages where it's beneficial for an explanation. And there's another downside in explaining the following concept in English. Look at the sentence. 我给你一杯咖啡. I give you a cup of coffee. 我给你一杯咖啡. In English we say you, but in other languages the pronoun would change. In German, ich gebe dir eine Tasse Kaffee. So in that sense, Mandarin functions like English. You don't have to worry about using different pronouns or adapting the pronouns. But what about my cup, my book, my shoe? As I told you, Mandarin is easy to learn. You'll learn one additional word more, de, which uses the fifth tone. And you're just adding it to your personal pronoun. So, an example. So, my cup, 我的杯子. So, my cup, 我的杯子. Your book, 你的书. Your book, 你的书. Her shoes, 她的鞋子. 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 But what about the plural pronouns? Same rule applies. For example, our teacher, 我们的老师. Your plural, chopsticks. 你们的筷子，你们的筷子。You see, just by learning 5 words, 我、你、他们 and the, you are able to understand all personal pronouns in Mandarin. Isn't that easy? If you want to become a polyglot and speak multiple languages, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss a video. If you like this video, you may also enjoy my next video, because not only the personal pronouns in Mandarins are super easy, also the weekdays and months are super easy to learn in Mandarin. Click here to watch it. Thank you so much for watching. So I will see you in the next video. 再见!